May nagtanong sa akin, ba't pa daw ako nag-office work tuloy-tuloy naman yung mga book shows ko sa hotels, casinos, and weddings. Simple lang yung sagot doon. Lahat ng bagay sa mundo natatapos, may katapusan. As a full-time musician before pandemic, marami ako na-realize. Di pala pwedeng makontento tayo sa isang source of income lang. Dapat 3, 4, 5, yung mga active income natin and passive incomes. Kasi the goal is to retire young. Kaya habang bata ka pa, malakas at kayang-kaya mo pa, enjoy life while earning from multiple sources of income, tapos save and invest, kasi hindi habang buhay bata tayo, hindi habang buhay may trabaho tayo, at hindi habang buhay magtatrabaho na lang tayo. Yun ang tinatawag na delayed gratification. So see you all every Saturday from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. I will be performing live at the 4-star Midas Hotel and Casino, Pasay, Metro Manila. Again, see you every Saturday from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Elmer June, the one-man band, live at the 4-star Midas Hotel and Casino, Pasay, Metro Manila.